Good afternoon, children. How are you? Yes, are you fine? Okay. Welcome to KR Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudol. For today online classes, children. Now, in previous class, we discussed about the chapter heavy and light. Heavy and light. The meaning of heavy and light. Heavy ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರ. In Kannada. Light ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಗುರ. Okay. Now, today we will learn about the chapter more and less. Today we have discussed about the meaning of more and less. Okay. More and less. The meaning of more and less. Children, open your textbook page number 91. First you open the textbook semester 2. In previous classes, I will start the semester 2 book. So, you open the textbook semester 2. Okay. Next, open the page number 91. Open the page number 91. In previous class, I completed this chapter. Okay. Next, I will tell you now this chapter. More and less. The meaning of more and less. Look at the first picture. Look at the first picture here. And look at the second picture. Difference between two pictures. Okay. There are more fruits in this basket. There are more fruits in this basket. ಈ basket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ fruits ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. And this box. There are less fruits in this basket. There are less fruits in this basket. ಈ basket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದಾವೆ. ಈ basket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ fruits ಇದಾವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ fruits ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. Understood? This box have a more fruits and this box have a less fruits. Okay. More, less. More, less. You know what is the meaning of more and less? More andre ಹೆಚ್ಚು, less andre ಕಡಿಮೆ. Okay. Look at the picture once again. More and less. More fruit and less fruits. Okay, children? Clear? Next, I will go. Tick the box that has more objects and cross out the box that has less objects. Okay. First, you tick the box. Tick the box. They have more objects. And cross the box. They have that has less object. More object ಇರುವಂಥ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೋ see it. There are so many flowers here and there are less flower. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್. ನಾಟ್ ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೋರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್. ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, you will do it. These are the more flowers. So you tick here like this. You tick here. And less, that has less subject, you cross it. Okay. This is a less grapes. So you cross it. And more grapes, you tick here. Next, more jellies. You tick here. And less jelly, you cross here. Complete it. Clear it. Okay. What is the meaning of more and less? Sorry, less. More means jasti. Okay, less means salpa. Okay. You have more chocolate and your friend have a less chocolate. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ chocolates and your friend has a less chocolate. Understood meaning of more and less? Okay, take your parents' help and practice it. What is the meaning of more and less? Now children, today I will tell you the numbers. In previous class I told you 301 to 400 numbers. Now today I will tell you 401 to 500. Okay, look at here. Sorry, how to write 401, 402, 403, 404. Like these children, you write 410 and 411, 412, 413, 414. Like this, you write 420. You write up to 401 to 500. How to write 500? 500. I'll write children one time how to 100, 200, 500. How to write it? Look at it. 1 means 100. 2 means 200. 3 means 300. 4 400. 5 500. 6 600, 7 700, 8 800, 9 900. You write up to 1 to 900. 900 after you will write 1000. Okay, you write same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 100, 2 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 200, 3 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 300. Okay, you know how to write the places of hundreds. Okay, now children, we practice at home 101 to 401 to 500 numbers and more and less, meaning of more and less. Okay, now today class was completed. Next class I will tell you next chapter. Thank you children.